Okay.
3, 2, go.
They may be, you think they're kind of getting old and stringy now, but they're still useful as medicine. You can dig these up and dry them and use them for an astringent. I'll probably do that with some of these because they're tighten up your mucous membranes. And I've been having trouble with that lately. I've kind of grew up with some problems with that, but this is the kind of stuff that'll help. Okay, we're going back over here into the corner. Of course, we've got these grasses in the pasture. Again, most grasses have edible seed. We have dandelions in here. Dig up the roots, make tea out of the roots. If you can find some good leaves on these, put them in your salad or in the pot with some butter, or put some kefir on them or something like that. Okay, another little salsify. It may have been hit with a lawnmower, so it's not in the best shape, but that's still, it's got, I'm eating Greg's food now, but of course you see your morning glory. We're not going to eat that. And you got these prickly lettuce plants here. Now you could hang these up on a string right now and dry them for your tea. I was saying I knew a Colombian gal. Her mother would boil lettuce to help to put in the powdered milk to make the kids sleep because it does have natural sedatives in it. Of course, you got some lamb's quarter here. Dandelion, and that's got some nice big leaves on it. It's probably got a good sized root on it. Okay, they planted a blue spruce here, one of the less blue ones, but at any rate you could make a tea out of that, and just cut off some of these or strip the needles off, steep them in some hot water. Yeah, give you a little vitamin C. So another bunch of storksbill here. So there you go. Dig those up, hang them up, and put them in your medicine area. Okay, now here in this little corner, of course, we got our mallows and such. But we also have this little plant here, which is a knotweed, and you can strip the leaves off of those and cook them up as a pot herb. I've done that before, so it's a little work for what you get out of it. Much easier for a sheep to eat them and then change it into meat for you, but they are edible. So anyway, we're now in this area here. Some more storksbill, more mallow, and some prickly lettuce, and more lamb's quarter, more of your knotweed, some prostrate pigweed or prostrate amaranth up here. And some more kochia here. Some of these may have been hit with a lawnmower, so they're stunted a little, but at least we know what they are. And more mallow here, more lamb's quarter, more knotweed, and some more amaranth up in here, or pigweed as you prefer. As you may prefer. Okay, so there we go. More prickly lettuce, and then we got a lilac bush here. Some people take the flowers. These are past the flower stage, of course. Some people take the flowers and put them in some fritter or pancake batter and fry them up. And they do have medicinal uses. So now we're back over here where the in the garden, and there's some kochia here, some more povertyweed here, more storksbill, and morning glory. Yeah, and more of the same here. There's our kochia, and now we have some of this, some kind of grass here that looks to be, it almost looks like foxtail, but I'm thinking it more of a squirrel tail. I don't know, I'll have to study my grasses more. There's all kinds of grasses. Yeah. So anyway, you can see the storksbill growing in here amongst the morning glory here. These are getting pretty good water, so if you can separate them out from the, we'll see if we can get the whole plant here. Here's a storksbill plant. You can see the pinkish purplish flowers on them. There's some grass in there. And the storksbill fruiting body, and the kind of ferny leaves on them. So there you have it. Let's see, anything else you want covered here, Greg?
That looks good.
Okay.